Enemy bombers travel at hundreds of miles an hour. Every town is a target. Any town is a target.
So this, guys, here was the original entrance to the air raid shelters. You come up the hill, or you come down the hill on this side. But you can just imagine people all lined up along these banisters here. Absolute crazy, man. So the street that we come down, where I show you was the original entrance, guys. These are the original stairs. Take you to the top and show you. So this was the original entrance to the air raid shelters. Ah, check all these bunk beds, man. Not very big, are they, considering 3 people would have been on these? Wow. Surreal feeling to be down here. Yeah, in this day and age. When we've never really known anything like this, have we? Do you know what I mean? Well, we might be pretty close now, but... Wow. Get lost down here, couldn't you? Easily. These places are massive, guys, honestly. So eerie that the bunk beds are still down here. If you look closely as well at the walls, all them lines, they're scratch marks where they've been hollowing this out. So they're marks off the tools. So do you hear that there, guys? These air raid shelters in Stockport could hold 4,000 people with a maximum capacity to 6,000 people. It's a staggering amount, really.
2,000.
Wow.
And that's over towards...
Absolute staggering amount. Look at this.
Mould. Somebody spilled a drink or something like that on the floor.
Just look at this, man. Oh. Mate. How eerie is this, man? So we're just at the toilets here, guys. This is proper mad. Considering the air raid shelters once held up to 4,000 people, you know, it's not a lot of toilets, but look how complete the toilet is still. That is crazy. Toilet from World War I, and it's still there. Another block of toilets here, guys. Look at one of the old toilet stall doors. Madness, man. Absolute madness. Just goes on and on for miles, guys. What's down there? Right, so we're going to turn the lights off now, guys, and just give you an indication actually how dark it is down here. There we go.
Literally.
It's pitch black, innit?
Like, not even like 30 fingernails.
Wow. Imagine something just gripped you now.
Away from each other, mate, and you can't even see your face.
It's crazy, man. Yeah.
Look like these are lines.
What's this, guys? Literally crumbling. Jesus.
Yesterday morning at 2:41 a.m. at General Eisenhower's headquarters, General Jodl, the representative of the German High Command, and of Grand Admiral Dönitz, the designated head of the German state, signed the act of unconditional surrender of all German land, sea, and air forces in Europe to the Allied expeditionary forces and simultaneously to the Soviet High Command. Hostilities will end officially at 1 minute after midnight tonight, Tuesday, the 8th of May. We may allow ourselves a brief period of rejoicing. Today is Victory in Europe Day. Tomorrow will also be Victory in Europe Day. But let us not forget for a moment the toils and efforts that lie ahead. Japan, with all her treachery and greed, remains unsubdued. The injuries she has inflicted upon Great Britain, the United States, and other countries, and her detestable cruelties call for justice and retribution. We must now devote all our strength and resources to the completion of our tasks, both at home and abroad. Advance, Britannia! Long live the cause of freedom! God save the King!